Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. In today's video, we'll be looking at proof of stake. We'll be looking at what it is, how it works, and also its risks. Now, before I begin, I just want you to ask yourself, do you know what proof of work is? Because it's crucial to have some knowledge of what it is so that you can better understand what proof of stake is. Now, if you don't know what proof of work is, that's okay, because you can check out our video, Proof of Work, what it is and how it works, and I'll put a link to that video in the description down below. As always, if you find this topic interesting, then don't forget to let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. Now let's jump into it. So in the proof of work consensus model, a group of miners will spend so much time, energy, and computing power to solve the complex puzzle before adding a transaction to the blockchain. And from the hundreds of miners, only one can get the solution right and is rewarded for their work. So what happens to the others? Did they just waste their resources for nothing? Well, sadly, the answer is yes. And then there's also the possibility that the miners might gang up and start making fake transactions. If they manage to pull more than 51% of miners to validate transactions, then that can lead to a lot of problems. Proof of stake was introduced to tie these loose ends in proof of work. Proof of stake is more energy efficient and a low risk alternative to proof of work. It was introduced in 2011 through a suggestion in a Bitcoin forum. Instead of having a bunch of miners validating data, only one miner validator is selected based on a few, but also random factors. This way, there's no precious resources that are wasted, and no one will work without getting rewarded. Miners also can't gang up and conduct fraudulent activities. So how exactly does proof of stake work? So essentially, one validator is chosen, and validators are basically just miners. And also, to be clear, a validator can be a single individual or a huge mining company. The process of selection has to be ultimately random and fair so that no one is favored or suppressed. Whoever's selected gets to solve the complex math puzzles so that they can earn the reward, while others just sit and double check their work. This validator must solve the puzzle correctly, otherwise they'll be penalized. Also, if they fail, another validator has to be chosen. So it takes a lot of time. The validator chosen has to lock up some of their coins as collateral. If they don't get the solution right, then part of their coins are taken away. Staking is actually the process of locking up coins as collateral. For you to participate in a proof of stake, you already have to own some coins that you can lock up. Then you have to wait until the network picks you to mine. When you mine correctly, you're rewarded with a staking reward, which is some of the coins. And if you get it wrong, then you're penalized by losing some of the coins that you had initially locked up. So what are the risks when it comes to staking? First, there's technical knowledge. You at least have to know how to code, set up your computer to mine, and accept rewards into your wallet. Secondly, there's a locking period. You have to lock your coins for a certain amount of time, which could be a month or a year. During this time, you can't trade them or cash them out. Third, there's rewards duration. Depending on the network, you could be looking at minutes, days, or even weeks as you wait for your rewards. And then there's Validator Commission. You can outsource the validation process to a platform with the knowledge of how to do it at a fee. So there we have it. We've looked at what proof of stake is, how it works, and what the risks associated with it are. As always, if you found this video interesting or helpful, then you can let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. Also, you can let us know by leaving a comment down below. Thank you for watching.